My name is Shannon Puhalla. I am a medical oncologist at the University of Pittsburgh Cancer Center. I've been involved with NSABP for many years on a number of clinical trials as a site investigator, and more recently involved with some of the clinical trial planning and leading some of the clinical trials from the development standpoint. So right now we are currently enrolling a clinical trial looking at a drug called palbociclib. It is a class of drugs called CDK4/6 inhibitors, and they've been shown that when combined with endocrine therapy that it basically enhances the response and the duration of the response. So our first study is a study called PALLET, and that is a study looking at combining palbociclib with letrozole, which is an aromatase inhibitor, in different combinations for different time frames. And ultimately, all of the treatment is given prior to surgery. What we hope is that by giving this treatment prior to surgery, the cancers will respond better, shrink better, and that patients who maybe would have been looking at a mastectomy may be able to have a lumpectomy. But the other important thing that we're looking at is what changes are there in tumors on a molecular standpoint that can help to predict who may respond better or who may respond not as well to this type of therapy. So that is a study that has been going on for about 2 years now in conjunction with our group at the NSABP as well as the Royal Marsden Hospital in the UK, and that study is almost done. Now the difference between that study and the new study is that that study is just for women who are postmenopausal. So the current study that we are working on and in the planning phases for is a similar type of study but in women who are younger or who are premenopausal. So what we hope is that the same thing, if we put women into menopause, then we give them the aromatase inhibitor drug plus palbociclib, that it will work similarly well in women who are young as women who are older with breast cancer. So what we hope is that there's a cohort of patients who can avoid chemotherapy but who may respond better to hormonal therapy, and we can help to enhance those responses.